Good morning, students. Here I am Smriti B. Sharma, your accountancy teacher. Welcome you in your accountancy class. So in our last class, we have discussed about the features of accounting and objective of accounting. So today we are going to discuss about number 1, relationship between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, and number 2, difference between the terms bookkeeping and accounting. So the first topic is the relationship between the term bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, and here are the explanation. So here are the explanation about the relationship between the terms that are commonly used in this subject is bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. আজি আমি এই তিনটা টার্মৰ মাজত কিনো সম্বন্ধ আছে তাৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। আমি অলৰেডি পঢ়িলো what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping হৈছে to record the transaction. Bookkeeping on আমি কি পঢ়িলো record transaction. Transaction means financial activities. Bookkeeping deals with recording the transaction in various books of accounts like journal, ledger, etc. Now, what is the meaning of accounting? Eto ami porhilo. What is accounting? Accounting is to record the transaction plus interpret the result plus communicate to the users. Accounting ki hoy? Accounting is a art and science of recording the transaction plus interpreting the financial result, profit, loss, ebur aro and communicate these informations to the users. Clear? Now what is accountancy? Accountancy means all the activities which are involved in accounting plus the rules and regulations which are utilized to record this transaction are known as accountancy. Clear? Accountancy amar ki humai jay all accounting activity, practical aspect as well as the theoretical aspect of the subject. Tamne ki rule regulation use korim, kenuka dhoroner principles follow korim, e gotebur kotha kot thakibo accountancy thakibo. Clear? Buji paisa ne? Bookkeeping mane hoise to record the transaction, accounting mane hoise record the transaction plus interpreting the result as well as communicate to the users. And what is accountancy? Accountancy means all the accounting process plus all theoretical aspects, that means the rules, the principles, the laws which are followed to complete this accounting process. Kom paise ne? Tar mane kar scope to sabse beshi? Accountancy, next accounting, next bookkeeping. Clear? So ami jodi diagrammatically explain koribo jao the relationship between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, you can say that this is the area of work of accountancy. Accountancy boli kole ami ekhini area bujao. Accountancy, it includes both the practical and theoretical aspect of the subject. Clear? Ki bujay accounting process plus all the rules and regulation principles that are followed in this subject. Yat ki bujibo theoretical aspect as well as practical aspect. Out of this is the portion of accounting. A portion to dhorlwa accounting, which involve only the practical aspect of the subject. Ekhini ami ki boli kobo paru? Accounting. Clear? Or accounting or at a portion which is only a part of accounting, that is this portion, this is known as bookkeeping. So bookkeeping hoise to record only the transaction, which is a practical aspect. Accounting is also a practical aspect, but it not only involved with recording the transaction but also to interpret and communicate the result. A gutekhini ki hol practical aspect. And what is accountancy? It involves practical aspect as well as theoretical portion of the subject. Theoretical portion means, theoretical aspect means the rules and regulation, the principles, the laws whichever utilized in this subject. Clear? Yar pra jodi ami gom pao sabse kom scope kar bookkeeping or next accounting or next accountancy. So if we see the relationship between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, we can understand that accountancy deals with both practical as well as theoretical aspect, while accounting is confined only to the practical aspect of accountancy, and bookkeeping is a part of the whole accounting process. So next we are going to discuss about the differences between bookkeeping and accounting, and here are the explanation. So students, even though bookkeeping and accounting are involved with the same sort of activities, like they are involved with financial transactions, recording of financial transaction, dealing with financial transaction, even though they are not the same. Today here we will discuss about the differences between bookkeeping as well as accounting. Clear? The first differences between bookkeeping and accounting is regarding their objective. First differences in case of objective. So কি হয়, বুককিপিং আৰু একাউণ্টিং যদিও আমাৰ একেধৰণৰ কাম কৰে, দুটাই ফাইনেন্সিয়েল ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন লগত কাম কৰে, ইকনমিক এক্টিভিটিৰ লগত কাম কৰে, ৰেকৰ্ডিং, ডিলিং উইথ ইকনমিক এক্টিভিটিজ, এইবোৰ কিন্তু তাহাঁত বুককিপিং আৰু একাউণ্টিং ছেম নহয়। কিয় ছেম নহয় তাকে আজি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম। আৰু ইয়াত চোৱা, ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিছকাছ কৰিম, হোৱাট আৰ দ্য অবজেক্টিভ অফ টু ডিফাৰেণ্ট আইটেমছ, ডেট ইজ বুককিপিং এণ্ড একাউণ্টিং। দ্য বেচিক অবজেক্টিভ অফ বুককিপিং, বুককিপিঙৰ অবজেক্টিভটো কি হৈছে, অনলি টু ৰেকৰ্ড। কি কৰে বুককিপিঙৰ অবজেক্টিভটো হৈছে টু ৰেকৰ্ড। কি ৰেকৰ্ড কৰা, ফাইনেন্সিয়েল ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন ইন বুকছ অফ একাউণ্টছ। ক'ত ৰেকৰ্ড কৰে, ৰেকৰ্ড ইন বুকছ অফ একাউণ্টছ। ক্লিয়াৰ, বুজি পাইছানে? বুককিপিঙৰ অবজেক্টিভটো হৈছে অনলি টু ৰেকৰ্ড। ৰেকৰ্ড কৰা ক'ত ক'ত ৰেকৰ্ড কৰে, জাৰ্নেল, লেজাৰ এজ ৱেল এজ ট্ৰায়েল বেলেঞ্চ। বাট the objective of accounting is to bookkeepingৰ কামখিনি থাকে, বুককিপিঙৰ যিটো অবজেক্টিভ এইটো থাকে, টু ৰেকৰ্ড দ্য ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন, বাট এলং উইথ ডেট তাৰ লগতে সিহঁতে কি কৰে, ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিট and communicate the result. বুজি পাইছানে? কি কৰে, বুককিপিঙে অকল ৰেকৰ্ড কৰে, কিন্তু একাউণ্টিঙত কি হয়, বুককিপিঙৰ কামখিনিতো হয়, ৰেকৰ্ড দ্য ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন, বাট আফটাৰ ডেট দে অলছ' ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিট দ্য ৰিজাল্ট উলিয়ায় আৰু লগতে কি কৰে, কমিউনিকেট কৰে। বুজি পাইছা? বুককিপিঙৰ অবজেক্টিভ আৰু একাউণ্টিঙৰ অবজেক্টিভ দুটাৰে অবজেক্টিভ ডিফাৰেঞ্চ। এই অবজেক্টিভৰ ওপৰত যদি বেছ কৰি আমি স্ক'পটো চাওঁ, স্ক'প অফ টু ডিফাৰেণ্ট ছাবজেক্টছ। তো হোৱাট ইজ দ্য স্ক'প অফ একাউণ্টিং, টু ৰেকৰ্ড ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন। What is the scope of bookkeeping, to record in books of accounts, and what is the scope of accounting, to record the transaction in the books of accounts as well as interpreting and communicating the result. So car scope to besi hobo, yaar scope, accounting or scope to ki hoy, wide as compared to bookkeeping or to ki hobo, narrow. Clear? বুজি পালা? car scope besi, সাবজেক্টটো পৰিসৰ কাৰ বেছি, পৰিসৰটো কাৰ বেছি, একাউণ্টিঙৰ পৰিসৰ বেছি, যা কাৰ তুলনাত, বুককিপিঙৰ তুলনাত। বুজি পালানে কি কাৰণে পৰিসৰটো বেছি হ'ল? So next differences between bookkeeping and accounting is the stage of work. Stage কোনটো ষ্টেজত কাম কৰে in case of bookkeeping this is the primary stage of bookkeeping is the primary stage these are done at the beginning of accounting work কি কৰে এটো আমি কোনটো ষ্টেজত কৰো ফাৰ্স্ট কৰো primary stage at the end of when bookkeeping ends accounting start কি হয় যেতিয়া বুককিপিংৰ কাম খতম হৈ যায় বুককিপিংৰ ৰেকৰ্ডিং খতম হৈ যায় তেতিয়া কেতিয়া কি স্টার্ট হয় একাউন্টিং সো দিস ইজ দ্য সেকেন্ডারি স্টেজ these are done as secondary stage or you can say that bookkeeping are done in a routine way regular way আমি যেখিনি বুককিপিংৰ কাম আছে এখিনি আমি ৰেগুলাৰ কৰো আৰু এটো কৰো একাউন্টিংৰ কামখিনি কৰো at the end of year year clear বুজি পাইছানে তো বুককিপিং কেতিয়া কৰে প্ৰাইমেৰী ষ্টেজত যেতিয়া বুককিপিং শেষ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া কি স্টাৰ্ট হয় একাউন্টিং তো ইয়াক প্ৰাইমেৰী ষ্টেজ অফ ৱৰ্ক কোৱা হয় আৰু ইয়াক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় সেকেন্ডাৰী ষ্টেজ অফ ৱৰ্ক clear the difference between bookkeeping and accounting in case of stages next is the level of work bookkeeping does not require experts in the field of accounting these are the clerical work these are the activity which are done in bookkeeping these are called as clerical work done by the junior staffs whereas in case of accounting we require senior staffs and they should have proper accounting knowledge clear bookkeepingৰ কাৰণে clerical staff junior staff bookkeepingৰ যিমান activity থাকে কৰিব পাৰে কিন্তু accountingৰ কাৰণে we need accounting experts which are known as senior staffs clear so in case of bookkeeping the persons who are involved in recording bookkeeping works or doing bookkeeping works they are known as bookkeeper and the person who are involved senior staffs who are involved with accounting they are known as accountant clear বুজি পাইছানে বুককিপিং কোনে কৰে ক্লেৰিকেল ষ্টাফে আৰু এই কামখিনি যোনে কৰে তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় বুককিপাৰ আৰু একাউন্টিং needs senior staff or experts in the field of accounts they are known as accountant বুজি পালা এটো হৈছে level of work next the fifth difference between bookkeeping and accounting is the uses the information which are provided by bookkeeping are used by accounting departments only the internal staff of the business bookkeeping is যেখিনি information provide কৰে সেই information অকল internal ভিতৰৰ staff who are involved with the work of accounting they use the information provided by the bookkeeping whatever the information they provided bookkeeping is যেখিনি information provide কৰে these are used by the internal users only involved with the field of accounting clear but the information whatever provided by accounting this can be used by internal as well as external users internal user use কৰিব পাৰে বা external user use কৰিব পাৰে কাৰণ outsiders যেনেকে creditors bank they can also use the information provided by the accounting clear but the information whatever provided by bookkeeping these are only used by the accounting staff they are known as internal user of the business clear কোনে বেছি বুককিপিং টু ইউজ কৰে ইন্টাৰনেল ইউজাৰে আৰু একাউন্টিং ওয়ার্ক অ্যাক্টিভিটি একাউন্টিংৰ যিখিনি ৰিজাল্ট ওলাই এখিনি কোনে ইউজ কৰে internal as well as external user. All 5 differences. Now Next is the information system. Whatever the information provided by bookkeeping, this does not give the final information to the users to take some decision about the business. Business or karne decision lobo porake final information kintu bookkeeping e nidiye. But whatever the information provided by accounting, these are the final information on the basis of which one can take decisions about the futures. Buzi palane differences between bookkeeping and accounting. So here are the final differences between bookkeeping and accounting. In case of objective, the objective of bookkeeping is to record the transaction in the books of accounts like journal, ledger. But the objective of accounting is not only to record the transaction but also to interpret as well as communicate the results to the users. Second one, regarding the scope of bookkeeping is limited to the recording of transaction. But in case of accounting, it has a wider scope as compared to bookkeeping because it comprises preparing of trading and profit loss account as well as balance sheet, which are used to communicate the result to the users. Next, number 3 is the level of work. Bookkeeping involves the clerical work which can be done by the junior staffs, but accounting is the function or activity of the senior staffs which needs accounting experts. Next, usefulness. The information whichever provided by the bookkeeping, these are utilized by the internal users like the accounts departments to interpret the financial result and to communicate the information. But the information which are provided by the accounting, these are utilized by both internal as well as external users. And last one is the information system. The information which are provided by bookkeeping, these are the primary informations which are used by the accounting staffs. But the information which are provided by the accounting, this can be utilized by both internal as well as external users to take their future decisions. Clear? So these are some of the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. ইয়াৰ বিষয়ে বাহিৰ আৰু বহুত আছে তোমালোকে নিজৰ বেলেগৰ পৰা লিখিব পাৰা কিন্তু এক্সামত 3 to 5 মাৰ্কছৰ কাৰণে ইয়াৰ কোৱেশ্চনছ আহে মাৰ্কছ চাই তোমালোকে পইণ্ট লিখিব লাগিব যদি 3 মাৰ্কছৰ কাৰণে আহে 3 পইণ্টছ এণ্ড 5 মাৰ্কছৰ কাৰণে আহিলে 5 পইণ্টছ লিখিবা ক্লিয়াৰ So based on today's discussions, you can able to answer the following questions. Number 1, explain the relationship between the terms bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, 3 marks. And number 2, distinguish between bookkeeping and accounting, 3/5 marks. So here is your today's classwork. Explain the relationship between the terms bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. 3 marks karone likhiba aru before 10:30 submit koriba. So this is the time to sum up the session. Today we have discussed about the relationship between the terms bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, and as well as the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Hope you understand the class, and if you have any doubt, you are free to call me. Thank you.